I'm half-frozen Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Who pushed us over the temperature cliff? Monday afternoon, November 10th, it was toasty warm. The lowest maximum air temperature in Oklahoma was 74 degrees at Westville. The highest temperature on Monday afternoon was 87 degrees at Freedom. Monday was windy, but it was warm. Wednesday, the highest daytime temperature in the state was 45 degrees at Idabel and Broken Bow. Only 3 other Mesonet sites made it to 40 degrees: Worcester, Mount Herman, and Hugo. For most of us on Wednesday, the daytime high never made it above freezing, and for folks in the Panhandle, Slapout was the warmest Panhandle spot at 21. Boise City's high was only 15 degrees. The chill from the wind made it feel like 5 degrees in Boise City, even at the warmest part of the day on Wednesday afternoon, and in the teens in central Oklahoma and the 20s to the south and east. And it wasn't just the Panhandle that went through a rapid change in temperature. A graph for Tulsa shows the drop from a high temperature close to 80 degrees on Monday to Wednesday's high that struggled to hit the freezing mark. And with winds gusting over 20, wind chills made it feel like 20 in Tulsa on Wednesday. The Cattle Comfort Index for Monday showed what a shocking change it was for cattle. At Hooker in the Panhandle, cattle felt like it was 91 just before 4 p.m. 8 hours later, just before midnight, the Cattle Comfort Index was 0 at Hooker, a 91-degree drop in 8 hours on Monday. From beach-like weather to mountain freezing. One benefit of the cold temperatures is that it helps to reduce water loss from our soils. As the cold settled in on Tuesday of this week, the 4-inch fractional water index map had lots of green, indicating good soil moisture at shallow depths. Exceptions were in the southwest and Panhandle. At 10 inches, the fractional water index values indicated good soil moisture at most Mesonet sites, values at 9/10 or 1. A value of 1 means the soil is at full water holding capacity. The locations with drier soils at 10 inches, the dark brown areas, expanded in the southwest, northwest, and Panhandle. Going deeper in the soil to the 24-inch level, we see the impacts of long-term drought. Wet, shallow soils, deeper down, dry soils. Indication of extremely dry soils expanded across the entire Panhandle over to Woodward. Down in the southwest, deeper dry soils extended back into central Oklahoma. Dry soils at 24 inches are indicated around Enid and from Durant up to Tishmingo. In the eastern third of the state, there is good soil moisture from the surface down to 24 inches or deeper. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.